Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect payment methods to Wix website. So first of all you have to go to your Wix manager site like this one, manage.wix.com, this site, and after going there at the left corner you can see this option settings. You have to tap onto settings simply, and then at the you can see this option at finance and payments. The first option is accept payments. Simply tap onto accept payments, and then after clicking on to accept payments you can see this blue text called connect. Simply tap on to connect, and after clicking on to connect you can choose your manual payment like cash payment, offline payment, or cash on delivery. You can choose any one, and then you can just add instructions to it and etc if you wish to, and all these things. And after completing all this text and etc you just have to connect it. You can also choose payment methods on the upgraded version, but for now on this version you cannot choose any payment fees for it. And also you can choose go into these options like get paid. You can enter your company ID, your currency, and all other things, for example payment terms. And you can add new tags if you wish to. You can remove Wix logo if you want, but that one is only available on upgraded version. Okay, and you can check out all other things from here, your domains, managed plans, and all other things if you wish to. So that's it, and if this video is helpful do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.